everyone, welcome back. I came to Publix to do the deals for January 27th through the 2nd or January 28th through the 3rd. I usually like to do my deals on Wednesdays. Just yesterday was a really gloomy day and I honestly didn't go out to do anything. So this is everything I grabbed. I'm going to take you through the store and show you what coupons I used. We did get a new baby flyer yesterday, baby savings booklet, and a BU savings booklet on top of our Publix green flyer. There is a new one coming out on Saturday, so this is the deals I'm going to do today, and then when I come back on the weekend, I will grab some more and I'll put a new breakdown for that video down below, and there will be one down in the description box for this one. Johnson & Johnson's baby products are buy two, get $3 off. I'm going to pick up 4 of these Johnson & Johnson baby wipes at $3.19. That's going to bring me to $12.76. Then $6 will come off, $3 twice for buying 4. It's going to bring me down to $6.78 or 76 cents, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to use 2 of these $3 off of 2 from the Publix. This is like a baby flyer. It looks like this. You can find it in the front of the store, or you can print them online. Make the final cost just 76 cents or 19 cents each. So the Ore-Ida potatoes this week are BOGO at $3.38. I'm going to pick up 2 for $3.38. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for each one, making the final cost $1.38 or about 70 cents each. So this week the Persil laundry detergent, the smaller bottles and the packs are 2 for $10. I'm going to pick up one of these for $5. I'm going to use this $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupon and this $1 off of 1 from the Publix green flyer. This does expire on Friday, so it's going to take off $3, and the final cost for 1 will be $2. So the Purex laundry detergent is still 2 for $6 until Friday the 29th. The rebate on checkout 51 did reset for $3.50 back when you buy 2, making the final cost $2.50 or $1.25 each. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Trivia at $3.69. I'm going to use 2 of these $1.50 off of 1 from the Publix BU flyer. I printed this one online, but it also comes in the booklet that you can find in the front of the store. I'm going to use 2 of them. It's going to take off $3. I'm going to use 2 of these $1.50 off on a manufacturer coupon, so it's going to take off another $3. I will pay $1.38 in the store. Ibotta will give me back $1.50 for each one for a total of $3, making both of them completely free and $1.62 moneymaker. The Hellmann's mayonnaise, 15 or 20 ounce is BOGO. I'm going to pick up 2 of these 15 ounce at $3.49. I'm going to use 2 of these $1 off of 1. That'll leave me to pay $1.49 for both, or about 75 cents each. And Fetch Rewards does have an offer right now for when you spend 15 on Unilever products in grocery stores, you'll get back 5,000 points or $5. So the Yoplait Go-Gurt this week are BOGO at $2.69. I'm going to pick up 2, use this $1.50 off of 2 internet printable coupon. That's going to make the final cost $1.19 or about 60 cents each. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Jammy Sammys by Plum Organics for $3.29. That's going to bring me to $6.58. I'm going to use one of these $3 off of 2 from the Babies flyer. That's going to bring me down to $3.58. Then Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for each one, making the final cost $1.58 or about 80 cents each, 79 cents each, which is a really good deal, especially for baby snacks. So the Chobani Complete Yogurts are 10 for 10 this week. I'm going to pick up 2 for $2. There's this $1.50 off of any 2 coupon on it. That's going to leave me to pay 50 cents. Ibotta's going to give me back 75 cents for buying 2, making both of them completely free and a 25 cent moneymaker. The A2 milk this week are 3 for $10. I'm going to pick up 1 for $3.33. I have a digital for $1.25. That's going to leave me to pay $2.08. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for buying 1, making the final cost $1.08. So the Wally guacamole this week is BOGO at $3.99. I'm going to pick up 1 at half BOGO for $1.99. I have $1 off of 1 digital. My final cost will be 99 cents for 1. Okay, so I made it back home from Publix. This is everything that I picked up. The only thing you don't see here are the Ore-Ida fries. I did pick them up. They're on the receipt. They're just in the freezer and I'm already sitting down. The baby's taking a nap. So I'm going to try to go through the breakdown real quick so I can finish editing the video and I can get it up for you guys within the next 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the receipt and tell you my final cost. So there's the A2 milk at $3.34. The Persil were 2 for $10, so I got 1 for $5. The Hellmann's were BOGO at $3.49. The Chobani were 10 for $10, so I picked up, there's 1 for $1. There's the guacamole for $2. They were BOGO at $3.99. The Chobani second one for $1. The Go-Gurt yogurts were BOGO at $2.69. These are the Ore-Ida fries, BOGO at $3.38. There's 2 of them. the Johnson & Johnson wipes. I picked up 4, and then the $3 comes off when the second item is scanned. And then there are the Jammy Sammy bars at $3.29 each, the Truvia at $3.69 each, and then the Purex were 2 for $6, so $3 each. These are all of my store coupons from the Publix Green Flyer, my manufacturer coupons, the $1 off per sale from the Publix Green Flyer, some more coupons. So I handed her the $1 off of 2 Yoplait printable coupon from coupons.com, but the digital glitched and came off too. I used 2 manufactured Truvia coupons, and they all came off, so that one glitched and came off also. The $1.25 off the A2, and then the $1 off the guacamole came off. My subtotal was $20.37, $22.41 with tax. I had a gift card with $18.33, so I paid $4.08. But I'm gonna do the breakdown as if I paid the $22.41 just out of pocket without a gift card. So I had a total savings of $55.92 coming out the store. So on Ibotta, I got back $9.75. I put in for 1 A2 milk, but it glitched and it gave me back $2 instead of $1. So I was only expecting to get $8.75, but I got back $9.75. I got 51. I got back $3.50 for buying 2 Purex. And then on Fetch, I got back 50 points for scanning my receipt, which is 5 cents. The Hellmann's is a Unilever product, and Publix is considered a grocery store, but it does not track towards spend 15, get 5,000 points or $5. I tried to edit my receipt and it still didn't update. So I might have to contact customer service. I don't know if you have to spend the whole 15 in one transaction. A while back when they had the spend, I think it was spend 50, get 10. If not, it was spend 30, get 10. You didn't have to spend the whole amount in one receipt. It would just track towards the total points to get it back. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it's not a big enough jar, but it is a 15 ounce. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I got back a total of $13.30 in rebates. When I take that away from my $20.30 subtotal, that makes all items that I picked up here, and including the fries, just $7.07. There's a lot of awesome deals going on this week. The Publix flyer does expire tomorrow, which is Friday, right? Today's Thursday. Yes, so it expires tomorrow, and then a new one comes out on Saturday. I like it when we have the 2 for $8, like on the Axe and the Dove products, and then there's 2 off of 2, I believe, coming in the green flyer, and then we have manufacturer coupons, and then those should track for the spend 15, get 5 on Fetch. So those should make for some really good deals. Plus, I didn't get any of the Quaker oatmeal during this transaction. I didn't get the Quaker crisp rice cakes in this transaction. There are some other things I wanted to grab. I took the baby with me to Walmart, so we went to Walmart first, and then she was like over it within like 10 minutes that we were in the store, so I just grabbed what I could. I'll go back Saturday or Sunday and grab some more deals. But that does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.